Ilicha Punumapu Kurumjari. I just minor video got Haduga Tauda Vasika Taudrabanedo. Hujuzik, Kaino, Tanodo, Zabimoldo, Amanatorami, the Amanatomi Modus Minor, Kaino Munikada, Yungauraga, mean a put and a black and blue and put that lay local people, Naga in Toraga. So talked about Tokama, the Kadai, this had a Inoma. Tauraga, photo ga Taura Salai, Raganoma Tauraga Sandore, Tongani, Oidaba, Padavanga, election Matam the show, don't Tonari, Nupi Ohumlo, Liga and Nupi Ohungi, Maminga PB, the Gate Zat Kano University, get Tantokra Vaniga and hiding but the Haiba, Aduma Matobani, Adugi type that she, you know, no did not say politics, they are the elements in on the high school, I'm 20 and so. One should be ready. I am perfectly alright. I was used to meeting Tauri, Manipur Masam, the Pami, Mamanga. Mine, Moon Harpin, the most mine was in say some Tare, the Gay, Nupina, so high ever, the Gaina, Chatlaga, clarified on roads of the talk so in a Zanapanian now. I am perfectly so talked about the talk, social media, I see not any way the Mamang Laga, Masai Kanbada. Nasaigi Manipur would Tugaina Silakpa sectarian ideology, the communal mindset, the Tauraga, there is the minority, right? Kimamingama Tauraga Manipur, the Tugaina Bona Kambu, Moy Mayok the Nangobagi, Gari the Gamoina Taugiba, the Tugai Kokaina Taurakiba on the Singer Kiba, Ade Kambu, Delina Pamu Pam Amato Tauraga Tauraga, Masigi Mayok the Nangubagi sounding the Oida Padava Lamchat Chazat. Taxi Kasi Kai, the Hazard of Ninga, the Tumate, Nagamami, because we also looked at Tauraba Mayam. Sukumba Manipuri Yegnaba Haitare, Manipurgi, the Giakogi, Konaigi, Yegnaba, Hona Lonchat Kangaba, Kambu, Hoi Marakta, Makogi, Deligi dictator, Chatpuduyan, Ingabagi, Nang, Obagi, Shaugana, Intan, Facebook, the Tato Tatunanga, Liba Kambu. Amadi Manipur Tugai honorable community gi litori ba moi elite kharana tawraga angang sing na misguide to bidana tawrai ba sectarian ba ideology da chapa kanguna moi an moi skum masina dum sandok na dum tawrakani is part of politics. So this rumor, don't believe it. I am perfectly alright. A non-event is turned into an event and spread on social media. And some people will thrive on that. And our legal team is looking into it. Already we're in touch with the cybercrime branch here. We will take the necessary actions. But in the meantime, thank you so much for your concerns. I am perfectly okay. I am just having a meeting with the delegates here. So I just take a break because they started saying that there are a lot of messages coming in. So I'm perfectly all right. Thank you for your concerns. Please do not believe in these kind of rumors. Get ready as the fight becomes more intense for the dignity of Manipur and for our well-being, for our own historical sense of responsibility as perform it. I expect more such kind of false rumors to come up, and let's get ready for that. But we shall overcome and we will win and defeat these inimical forces of our people and our state. Thank you so much.